I made this owl box about 4 years ago and it's in need of repair, so today I brought it into the workshop. As you can see, it needs a new bottom and a new top. I will be putting felt on the roof to keep it waterproof. The roof is all felted all the way round, which will keep it protected from extreme weather. I have screwed a piece of wood on the back so I can secure it to the tree. I am stapling the felt on the inside. The box is all now ready for its perfect place.
Spring is right upon us, and our feathered friends are looking for places to nest.
Today I made it my challenge to put this well-made owl box up this old mature tree. Now I just need to clear some twigs for entrance, as the owls need a clear flight path. I've got some wood shavings to put in the bottom. Then I've got top tip. This is old ferret bedding which keeps away the squirrels. So hopefully we'll get some owls. I have put a good layer of wood shavings in the bottom for bedding. I've created a nest with old ferret bedding, and I've left the wood shavings in the middle. Perfect spot for an owl. The box is finally up in the tree. It was a tough slog to get this up a ladder because it's a very heavy box, but I managed to get it up and it's in the ideal spot. It's facing northeast, which is ideal for an owl box. So it's all filled up with bedding, and hopefully we'll get some owls. We'll keep an eye on it in the next week or so, and then I'll get a camera set up if we get any owls, and then we'll have some more footage